Namaskar. In this video, I will talk about the importance of marketing. We already know the marketing play very important role in the modern business world. So that's why we will discuss the importance of marketing for the firm or the business organization, importance for the consumer and importance for the society. So these are the three very important points from the point of view importance of the marketing. So let us start with the first one point, that is importance of marketing for the business firm or the organization. The first one point is very important. Marketing helps to generate the revenue for the business. We already know that in the every types of business, the profit is very important, or the revenue is very important, because when the any organization increase the revenue, it automatically helps to improve your earning capacity. So that's why the first one very important point for the firm's point of view, the generate the revenue. Marketing generate the revenue to the firm for the comparison with the various business activities. We can say the production activity, finance, research and development, etc. So that's why it has a very important for the business point of view. A business firm cannot survive without revenue or the sufficient return. So that's why marketing always help to generate the more and more revenue for the business organization. The second one point of the importance of marketing for the firm, that is it assists in marketing decision making. In the last part, we already discussed the scope of marketing. The scope of marketing is very vast. So that's why marketing helps to take the various decision decision taken by the top level management to develop the different types of strategies for the successful business. So that's why it's very important. The basic problem of any marketer or the business is what, when, how much. So such types of questions are always there. Which product we have to produce, or where to sell it, how to sell it. So such types of decision also taken by the business organization with the help of marketing. So that's why the marketing always help to take the such types of decision. For example, we can say the every company, if you say the production company, so from where we purchase the raw material, how much purchase the raw material, how to plan for that, or how to advertisement, how much expenditure incurred for the advertisement, how to arrange the logistic or the supply chain management, we call for the how to sell our product, etc. So such types of decisions always taken by the business organization with the help of marketing. The third one very important, it initiate the innovation and the changes. That is the very important, because we already know the marketing is a dynamic process or the dynamic system, we generally say. That's why it always helps to innovation and the change for the business organization. In the marketing, we already know the customer is a king of a marketing, or the customer is the center for the marketing. So that's why changing customer taste or the preferences, that is very important part in the marketing. To consider such types of changes, it always help to the business organization go for the innovation and make the changes in the existing products. So that's why the every marketer is expected to change such types of product and the services. The information is basis for the innovation and which is passed on through the marketing intermediaries. It means we already know in the marketing process there is a different types of intermediaries are there. It starts from the consumer to the retailer to the wholesaler to the producers, and generally or the manufacturer. So such types of information also provided by the marketing for the manufacturer for the innovation and the changes in the product. The next one point we call for that it facilitates the discovery of a new product and new market. Generally, the marketing in the marketing, when we learn the scope of marketing, there is a one very important point we learn, that is the marketing research. Marketing research is a primary stage of marketing process. So that's why if you conduct the marketing research, it automatically give the idea what customer require, what are the new requirement of the customer. It means it will help to produce the new product, or we can easily find out the appropriate market for our product or our services. So that's why the marketing helps to the firm to facilitate the discovery of a new product and a new market in the modern business. The next one, it leads to large scale production and the economy of the scale. This point also one very important point for the importance of marketing. It means we already know the marketing is a widen the distributive limits for the goods through its various promotional tools such as advertising, sales promotion, public relation, face-to-face marketing, or the mouth publicity, etc., etc. So we already know nowadays the production is always before the demand. It means that every manufacturer find out the demand for the product and then start to produce. But they always produce the more product as compared to the demand. So that's why it gives the proper direction to the manufacturer to go for the large scale production and economies of scale. It means to use the available resources in a optimum manner. So this is also the one very important part. The next one, it brings about the effective allocation of the resources. Whatever be the resources available with the manufacturer or the firm generally or the business organization, marketing helps to use such types of resources effectively. We already know that for the production purpose there is some factor of productions are there. We can say the land or the capital or the labor or the, it means the different types of production factor or the different types of resources the firm can easily use with the help of marketing. So that's why effective utilization of the available resources, this is also the one very important helps from the marketing to the business organization. Next one part, the importance of marketing for the consumer. We already know the consumer is a king of the market, customer is a king of the market. So that's why the first point for the consumer's point of view when we talking about the importance of marketing, that is marketing improve the quality of the goods and services. In the modern marketing, we already know the competition is very high. So that's why marketing helps to improve the product quality. It means the goods quality or the services quality. In that, the marketing research or the marketing information system always provide the necessary information to the producer. Which color customer require or which color customer like, which taste customer like, or what customer exactly like. Based on that, the company or the firm always produce such types of product and it will definitely benefited to the consumers. It means exactly what customer require or what consumer require. These such types of product or services or such types of goods or services provided by the marketing to the consumer. So that's why it always improve the quality of goods and services. Next one, it reduce the cost and prices. We already know through the marketing, the customer always know the various option available for such types of goods and services. So that's why in the market there is always competition, and everyone try to minimize the cost. Every producer, every manufacturer try to minimize the cost. So marketing helps to consumer to reduce the cost of the price. Marketing helps to the marketer to increase the production and the distribution. Automatically, if the any producer or the manufacturer increase the production unit or the distribution unit, automatically the per unit cost of the product has decreased and it will benefited to the consumer. So that's why this second point also one very important point of the marketing. The next one, it provides services to the consumers. It provides services to the consumers. The marketing provide consumers with various services such as information about the existing and the new product and the services. Through the marketing, consumer get the various information from the market. It may be the new products enter into the market, what are the characteristics, it means the different types of contents of the market, or which are the alternative product available in the market. So every information about the goods and services consumer can get from the marketing. So that's why this is also the one very important part. In that, consumer get the information from the marketing about the different types of maintenance service, availability of the product, after sales services, or the sales promotion, distribution channel, what are the feedback of the existing, it means the existing customers. So we can easily get the such information with the help of marketing as a consumer. Next one, it educate the consumer. That is very important point. The marketing not only provide the information to the customer, but it helps to educate the consumer or the customer with the help of advertisement or the publicity or the promotional, various promotional tools. At present, and the potential customers are educated through the various benefits for using the different types of product and the services. In that, the concept of social marketing also used for the education of the consumer or the customers. Next one, easy availability of the products. Marketing always help for the customer or the consumer to make it available the products. It means the goods and services very easily. Nowadays, the various goods or the number of goods and the services easily available to the each and every customer because of the marketing, because of the development of marketing. We have the number of options available in the market, so we can easily get the proper goods, or the we can easily consume the proper service, or easily use the proper service from the market. So that's why easy availability of the product, this point also the one very important for the consumer's point of view. I already talked about the options available in the market. The various, if you see any product, the every product has a substitute product. It means if you see the any service provider, the number of service providers are available. If you see the any specific product, the lot of products available, the similar product available in the marketing. Why it happened? Because of the development of marketing, development in the marketing. So that's why the option available the various option available. That is the very important point for the consumer's point of view. It means consumer select the proper what he wants based on the color, based on the size, based on the price, based on the contents. So this also easily available in the market because of the marketing development of market.